everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Today we will be unboxing 3 Tomica Limited Vintage Neo Ferrari models. I've had these sitting in the boxes. It's time to unleash them. And as always, with our TLV on this channel, we give it the white glove service. We have 3 models we're going to be unboxing today. We've got the Ferrari BB512i. We've got the Ferrari BB512. And we have the first edition Tomy Mall version of the 365 GT4 BB Berlinetta Boxer. Let's start with the BB512i. Let's have a look at the packaging. We have the Tomica logo over here, Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. We got a little look of what the car looks like. We got the opening back hatch. On this side, scale 1/64, the color of the car. Another view of the car on this side. Same stuff on this side. And in the back, we have the Tomica Limited back here, the Ferrari licensing, the official serialized product, and then some hazardous barcodes made in China. So right here, quickly off the bat, inside this box, we're gonna have some side mirrors, which are removable. So they're currently off, probably going to be in a little bag, of which it's going to be at our discretion to glue these on. So we're welcomed with a nice little greeting card, probably a description of the car. If you guys could read Japanese, by all means, I'm my guest. We've got some coupon or reduction vouchers. Let's pop this out. Side mirrors I was talking about earlier. Nicely packaged, nicely protected. Tomica TLV always has these double inserts, so the car is protected with a little plastic. And look at that, this is just spectacular. Real rubber treads, really to scale. This is phenomenal. I don't know how they do it on this small scale. We've got the Ferrari logo badging right there in front. The prancing horse. We've got little inside indicator lights. We've got the keyhole. We've got Pininfarina badging over there. The interior, look how detailed that interior is. For 1/64th, you even have the armrest detail. It's a pity these doors don't open, but if I would be able to show you that, yeah, this is a good angle. Look at that fantastic detailing over there. You got the little wiper. You've got the Ferrari logo right back there. You got plastic taillights. That's the BB512. The mufflers, a little grill back here. This is the opening part. It's tight. Yeah, look at that. It's fantastic. Nicely detailed engine. fairly detailed. The engine, transmission, Tomica Tomy up there. Got the Ferrari BB512i, scale 164 right there. This is a 2018 model made in China. Licensing of Ferrari. I'm gonna put this on display shortly, but it's nothing short than fantastic. Let's open up the 512 now. So similar instructions. Here again, we also have some removable side mirrors. We're welcomed by this nice greeting card. The side mirrors. Superb. You don't see too much of the detail compared to the BB512i. You do have a black interior with just a metallic silver exterior. Pretty similar concept between the two cars. You do have this black all around on the original car compared to this one. This one is the same paint color all throughout. The nose is also a little bit shorter. Not sure if you guys can see that. Back is fairly much the same. You've got the undercarriage, the same thing. Ferrari BB512. These are always scale 164. The wheels seem a little bit thinner than on the BB512i. Engine slightly different, but amazing detail. They're able to capture all this. It's just great. Fantastic, phenomenal job, TLV. Announced for 2021, and I can't wait to get my hands on those ones. And lastly, the Tomy Mall exclusive version. Beautiful welcome card. I'm hoping to get a fantastic wow factor like the red one. Let's hope it doesn't disappoint. At a first glance, this is superb. I mean, like, look at this. So far, differences right off the bat. You got 3 taillights on each side, so total 6. You got 3 muffler compared to the 2 on the other 2 models. This has the same black styling as the BB512. Although that era that the cars were slightly similar, for the most part, as similar as they would get. Front over here, this is phenomenal detail. Let's look at that interior. There's that two-tone, the red at the bottom. Not sure if you guys can see that. Right there, you got the red on the base with all the interior, the seats, bucket seats, all in black. Crack open the engine, and look at that, that's super fantastic. You got your gearbox, you got your engine, you got everything over there. Super well done job. Wraps this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, feel free to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Never stop collecting and always fuel that passion. I'm Adrian, and we'll see you all in the next one.